guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your host, Rio Red Sky. I need to go shopping and I'm on a budget. So I have $100 to spend on groceries and a few other things like laundry detergent and paper towels and stuff. So come shopping with me. We're gonna be shopping at HEB today. Let's get geared up. This is my fluffy jacket because it is cold outside. I'm trying to get sick. Let's go. Okay, we are in my car. We are about to go to HEB. So let's get out of here. Nobody tells you how awkward it is when you're videotaping in public. But anyways, so here's me trying to be super low-key about videotaping. We got some oranges. We're getting some limes. I'm getting an avocado because I'm going to make a Caesar salad with avocado. And I'm getting some potatoes. I've been making a lot of mashed potatoes recently, like from scratch, and they're so good. This is me picking out some bananas. I've been craving bananas for a minute, so I definitely had to get a few. And they're full of vitamins, so they're good for you. Oh, and these mini cucumbers are so good and so crunchy. Love them. Okay, so now we're gonna go towards the pastry section. I wanted to get a cake, but I was like, I'm not gonna buy a whole cake. So I'm getting a mini red velvet one and a mini Italian cream cake. And these are like $4 each, 3 something, and they're really good. Okay, so now I'm going to the salad section in HEB. I really love these pre-made salads. They make my life so easy. And I love putting avocado in the Caesar salad. And I'm also getting the Greek salad. And there's no meat in these. I'm going to get some thick cut bacon. I usually cut these in half and like cook half at a time. And I want some salmon. So I see that the salmon's like cheaper, but I think it's because it's farm raised. But I definitely want the Atlantic one, which is like not farm raised. It's a little more expensive, but it tastes so much better than the farm raised. Now I'm going to get some pizza crusts. I like to make these. They're super quick in the oven. And I needed buffalo sauce because my mom gave me a bunch of chicken wings. Okay, let's go down the aisle. We're going to get some mac and cheese. I love the spiral one. And of course, I'm a child at heart, so the unicorn. And we're going to get some Cheez-Its, my favorite snack. And we're walking down the aisle. I've been making my own sweet tea from scratch lately, so I'm going to get this, and I have sugar at home. I need to get some paper towels, and you already know I'm getting the cheap ones because, you know, we're on a budget today. And I also need to get toilet paper. Again, we're going to get the budget-friendly ones. And we're going to get some cream cheese. I like to mix this with my mashed potatoes. It makes them super creamy. We need some kitchen sponges. And I need to get some Dawn dish soap. This stuff lasts forever. I literally buy 1 dish soap every month. And I needed some laundry detergent. Ooh, $13, 12 something. Yeah. Cat food. And I wanted to get this one, but I wasn't a fan of the rose. Not the rose, the pink salt. I didn't want that. So I went ahead and got the Dove pomegranate one instead. I've used this before. It's nice. I'm going to get some yogurt. And that pretty much sums up my grocery list for today, so now it's time to go check out. I didn't record myself getting water because there was a lot of people in the aisle, but I went and got a case of water, so we'll see what the grand total is here in a sec. Yeah. Hey, we were a little over budget, but that's not bad considering everything we got. I think the laundry detergent and like stuff like that was what made it expensive. But here we are. I unloaded everything and now I'm gonna go return the cart because I am a good citizen and it was late at night, so I don't wanna make the people work harder. Here we go. And that's our grocery shopping. Okay guys, we are home. It is hot and I have a lot of groceries to put away. So thanks for joining me and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and if you have any ideas for videos, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys.